I am making a tortilla pizza. The secret to a crispy crust is holes in your baking sheet. I'm using whole grain and flax tortilla wraps. And the first ingredient that you'll need is pizza sauce. I normally add a couple tablespoons. You don't want to add too much, and you want to spread the sauce as close as you can to the edge. I'm adding cooked chicken breast, red onion. You can really add whatever ingredients you like. I'm adding some pineapple, cheddar cheese, Emo's Provel cheese. If you are not from the St. Louis area, you probably don't know what Emo's cheese is. Basically the best pizza cheese ever. I'm adding basil, garlic powder. I like my pizza spicy, so I'm adding Thai chili pepper here. You're going to want to bake your pizza in a 420-degree preheated oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your pizza should be bubbly and nice and golden brown on the outside. Look how crispy that crust is. I like to add either basil or leafy greens on top. I don't have basil today, so I'm just putting some mixture of greens. I decided to add some feta cheese today. This is the best recipe if you are craving pizza and you don't want to eat all the carbs that normal pizza has. The wrap that I used to make the crust only has 100 calories and 5 net carbs. And that is it. Your pizza is done.